Please like, share, and subscribe if you want to watch more videos from us. Thanks for watching.
Actions. Actions. Run. Run. I run in the park every morning. I run in the park every morning. Eat. Eat. She eats an apple for breakfast. She eats an apple for breakfast. Jump. Jump. The dog jumps over the fence. The dog jumps over the fence. Sleep. Sleep. We sleep at night to rest. We sleep at night to rest. Read. Read. He reads a book before bed. He reads a book before bed. Write. Write. I write a letter to my friend. I write a letter to my friend. Speak. Speak. They speak English fluently. They speak English fluently. Listen. Listen. We listen to music in the car. We listen to music in the car. Dance. Dance. She dances gracefully on stage. She dances gracefully on stage. Sing. Sing. He sings a beautiful song. He sings a beautiful song. Play. Play. They play soccer on the weekends. They play soccer on the weekends. Study. Study. I study math for my exam. I study math for my exam. Cook. Cook. She cooks dinner for her family. She cooks dinner for her family. Swim. Swim. He swims in the pool every day. He swims in the pool every day. Watch. Watch. We watch a movie at the theater. We watch a movie at the theater. Draw. Draw. She draws a picture with colored pencils. She draws a picture with colored pencils. Talk. Talk. He talks to his teacher after class. He talks to his teacher after class. Walk. Walk. They walk to school together. They walk to school together. Help. Help. We help our neighbors with their groceries. We help our neighbors with their groceries. Clean. Clean. She cleans her room every weekend. She cleans her room every weekend. Stand. Stand. He stands in line to buy tickets. He stands in line to buy tickets. Sit. Sit. We sit on the park bench and enjoy the view. We sit on the park bench and enjoy the view. Think. Think. She thinks carefully before making a decision. She thinks carefully before making a decision. Buy. Buy. They buy groceries at the supermarket. They buy groceries at the supermarket. Open. Open. I open the door to let the fresh air in. I open the door to let the fresh air in. Close. Close. He closes the window to keep out the cold. He closes the window to keep out the cold. Smile. Smile. She smiles when she sees her friend. She smiles when she sees her friend. Cry. Cry. The baby cries when he's hungry. The baby cries when he's hungry. Run. Run. They run to catch the bus before it leaves. They run to catch the bus before it leaves. Drive. Drive. He drives a car to work every day. He drives a car to work every day. Visit. Visit. We visit our grandparents on the weekends. We visit our grandparents on the weekends.